So let's wait for 2 minutes, let the others join, then we will start our session. Thank you. Am I audible to all? So once again, good afternoon to all. First of all, congratulations to all for merit-based progression in previous semester, and hopefully everyone got good grades in every subject and especially WT. Okay, and I hope nobody have any problem with the WT subject grades, specifically those who called me regarding Google form examination. I hope everyone satisfied with that thing, right? So I hope each and every students have a good SPI and CPI with the last semester. Okay. So first of all, let's ask one by one. What about Archan? What exactly the WT grade in previous semester, and what about the SPA overall? Semester SPA. Archan. Okay, very good. Congratulations, 9.96. And what about WT grade? Zero. O grade. Okay. What about Ayuj? Ayuj. O means outstanding. Okay, nice. 10. Congratulations, Ayuj. Mind blowing. Harsh. And what about SPA, CPA? 10. Congratulations. Heli, Hetvi, Karan. Heli, Hetvi, Karan. Heli. What about WT grade? Congrats. Lokesh, Mayank, Milan, Nash. Lokesh, Milan, Mayank, Nash. Congratulations, Milan, Lokesh, Nash, and Mayank Singh. All are getting outstanding grade. Pratik, Riddhi, Rutvik. Pratik, Riddhi, Rutvik, Tumin, Yash and Yug. Congratulations, Pratik, Rutvik, Yash, Riddhi, Yug. Okay, Harsh, what about the grade of the previous semester of WT and overall SPA, semester SPA? Congrats, Tumin. So this time I'm going to take advanced web technology subject in your class. Okay. Uh, this is the second time I'm coming to your class. Last time I already conducted web technology. Sorry guys, I was disconnected due to bad internet connectivity from my end. Am I audible to all? Fine. So I already conducted web technology subject in previous semester. Just now we had completed on 7th of April, right? And this is what the second subject I'm going to take in your class. So all of you aware with the teaching methodology of specifically from my side that what I'll teach, how I'll teach, and what exactly you're supposed to do in lab sessions. We're gonna do the same thing in this semester also. Fine. So first of all, let me share my screen with you. We will have a orientation program for tomorrow session because when do we have a lab? I'm gonna take the orientation session, but before we going to the orientation session, uh, let me give you just a small idea regarding that what exactly the course content and what exactly that practicals are. So basically we do have the 4 units for that particular AWT subject. The very first one, that is purely based on the PHP. So the first unit is object oriented PHP. The second is a Laravel. Okay, I mean advanced PHP, but in advanced PHP we do have web scraping using curl, a regular expression, mail function, and web service and API. The third unit, that is a PHP Laravel MVC framework, and the last one, which is a Node.js. Okay, so these are the basic 4 units we do have, and let me share my screen with you. So we are only concerning right now with the practical part. Okay, my screen is visible to all. Fine. So this is what the list of the experiment which we do have. We do have the total 5 practicals. Okay, the first one, which is develop a web application in PHP using the various concepts of the OOP, like class, object, inheritance, function, overloading, constructor, and destructor. You need to develop one web application, right, in which minimum 4 to 5 PHP different files are there, and by using that file, that one web application that includes the all concept. Second one, you need to develop a web scraper to mine a structured data from any website according to the given application. Third one, you need to develop a PHP application in PHP to demonstrate the use of the third party APIs like weather, sports, stock market, etc., which you want to develop. Fourth one and the fifth one, you need to develop a small project. Okay, in the fourth one, we're going to use the Laravel framework, and in the fifth one we're gonna use the Node.js. And so for that you need to develop a small Laravel project only. So all are requested to at least decide your mini project name from now only. So after at least 15 days or 20 days, when we are able to reach at the Laravel, at that time your definition should be ready. Okay, we will discuss the Laravel definition at the time of the Laravel lab only. Okay, but at least you are requested to get ready minimum 5 to 7 applications in Laravel. Fine. So does anyone having any doubt? Then you can ask me. Fine. Rest everything we will discuss in tomorrow session, because tomorrow we will have an orientation. Fine. Till now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Uh, Most probably no. because it is a small application only. Okay, and each and every students need to develop by their own. So in the Laravel, we are not going to take a group project because this is a small project only. I'll discuss the detailed syllabus with you tomorrow in orientation slide. Okay, so you will have a at least idea that what you need to develop in PHP Laravel. Okay, so that is my wish that each and every students need to develop their project on. What we did last time in a web technology, that you don't have exact practical list. So we design a practical list such a way that it will cover a whole application. Okay, but you can see this, the first three practicals, it's a small web applications, and each and every students need to develop by their own. After that, we do have a different technology. The first one is Laravel and the second one is Node.js. And so for that, you need to develop a small project only. So I guess it is possible for each and every students to implement by their own. Let me clarify a few things with you from the first lab. As what we did in a previous semester, we're gonna implement the same thing. Each and every students need to develop the practicals and the web applications by their own. And as we know that this subject is a rich references. Okay, after the end of the semester, I'll give you few YouTube channels. Okay, and I'll ask you to implement something different for your definition. Okay, and this is purely a topping beyond the syllabus only, which we are going to cover in the Laravel. So after the completing the Laravel, I'll give you that channel. Okay, and that channel has a complete one-stop solution for the PHP Laravel MVC framework. In that you need to implement what exactly apart from our practical list, and that is what my expectation from you. In this instruction, does anyone having any doubt? First of all, does anyone having any doubt in this instruction? Only one student has responded. I want each and every 19 student to get respond on this. Still 4 to 5 students are remaining. Okay, so as we do have this is what our first lab. So what I want you to do, I want you to implement kind of a revision thing. And so for that, you need to implement PHP CRUD operation: create, read, update, and delete. So insert, update, delete from the database. I'm gonna show you what you have to do basically. Okay, let me share my screen with you. So this is what our first lab, and definitely the PHP concepts need to be revised from your side. So I want you to implement that PHP CRUD application one. Rest everything about the detail evaluation part. What about the assignment? What about the detailed syllabus? What about the teaching scheme and structure? That will be discussed in tomorrow lecture session. So Don't worry about that. Let me tell you one thing, the assignment will be purely topping beyond the syllabus and the out of syllabus only. Okay. My screen is visible to all. Fine. So what you need to do basically, uh, okay. So what exactly you need to develop? Okay. Uh, you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. These are the 6 fields. Now you need to prepare one form first of all. Okay. One form in which the user need to enter this form first. So the first one is the inserting. So serial number, it should be number, then first name, last name, age, it should be number, a address, it should be string. For the email, it should be a regular expression, and in the last one is submit. When you click on the submit, okay, immediately below there will be a view button. So submit, and the view button will be the next. When you click on the view button, it will display all the records which you have inserted from the table. So for example, right now I can see the only one record. Okay. And after that, it should be display in a grid form only. All right. And in the last column, there should be a two icon. The very first one, edit icon or delete icon. When you click on the edit item, it will allow you to edit any of the record which is visible. And when you deleted that item, it should be deleted from the database. Is anyone having any doubt with this? First, you can ask me. Does anyone having any doubt? Fine. So you are requested to implement, start to implement this small CRUD application. Okay. Definitely what I ask from you that you can choose any of the references, but definitely I'm going to ask you in detail, like what I did in previous semester, right? So from my side, the understanding is very much important. You can choose your reference. I don't have any issues with that. Okay. And I'm gonna ask you to share your screen, okay, while you are performing for the entire semester. So all are requested to join this lab session or the lecture session by their laptop only. Nobody is going to join this lab or lab session through the mobile, because if you are going through the mobile, then you're not able to implement the any of the practical. Okay, Pratik, then you need to make some arrangement for that if you don't have data then, because you can consider like if we are starting our lab sessions from 9:30, then definitely up to the 2 p.m. we do have the lab session and lecture sessions. So for example, if you are considering like from the 9:30 to 11:30 your data is over, then definitely you are not able to join our lab session. If you have, if you don't have that much data, then definitely you are not able to join lab session even. Are you getting my point? Each and every students to make the arrangement for the same. Definitely I'm going to do the same only from my end, because I'm not taking this AWT subject. I'm taking information and network security in GTU also, right? So I'm taking the lab and lecture sessions in GTU also, and from now today onwards I'm gonna take the AWT lab and lecture session in your class. Because till now you do have only one subject, right? And from today you will have two subjects. So definitely at least you need to make the arrangement for the data from your end. Because if you are saying that first two slots, and if you are saying that okay, so till now you have already two, and third subject is also added. But dear, it is very hard for us to sustain in this situation. You can see this. We don't know even where exactly the physical class can start. Till now, we need to adjust ourselves. I'm also adjusting the for the same. Right. So please all are request to make the arrangement, because you have three subjects, and if you are saying that up to 12 o'clock your data is over, then you are not able to join after 12 session. And if you are not able to join the lab or lecture session, definitely Pratik, I'm not asking to share your screen for 2 hours. I'm asking that when I'm going to ask you, at that time you need to share. I'm not asking to share 2 hours continuously. First of all, let me clarify one thing to each and every students. I'm not asking to share 2 hours of sharing your screen. Definitely, there is a lots of network problem also. Even I got the same problem, right? You can see this initially when I started the lab session, I got disconnected. So there is a problem we all are facing, right? Even with the very bad speed and bad internet connectivity. But till now, we need to do the same. Okay, Milan, Pratik, Karan, Nash, Mayank, Ronak, are we clear this point now? You just start to implement the application now. I'll ask one by one student to share their screen at least for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. So there is no that much data loss. Don't worry about that. Fine. So just start the implementing, at least design a form very fast. Okay, and then I'll ask one by one student to share their screen. Thank you. Go ahead, guys. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. I have a doubt regarding PHP.
Yes.
Students who went for semester exchange program, they skipped the WT part because we were taught Angular. I mean, and we were taught Spring Boot as the server side programming. So, sir, we're not familiar with the architecture or anything regarding PHP. Sir, how can we compensate to that?
Let me give you I mean, give me your mail ID. I'll send you my PPT from the previous semester. All right. Kindly go through this if possible very quick, because we at least all the students, those who went for the international exchange program, they know they at least know about what exactly the PHP, right? So I request you to go through it, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me for that. Okay.
Oh, all right. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for that.
Right. So first of all, do one thing. Give me the name of the students. So I'll send them PPT now only. First of all, yourself, Tumit. Then
Yes, then Hetvi.
just hold on. I think Hetvi was the present. Hetvi, are you there at the time of the database connectivity?
Yes, sir.
Hetvi,
But, sir, I don't remember anything from that part.
so 102851, right? Your mail ID.
Yes.
What about the next, Tumin?
Sir, that is Kunal. Kunal Vasoya.
Was show, yeah. Just hold on. Okay, Kunal Vasoya. Then
And Fenil Mehta.
Fanil Mehta. Fine, no worry. I'll send the PPT of the web technology. Okay. All are
Yes,
requested
sir.
to go through it once.
Sir,
All
Yes.
right. Thank you, sir.
I also need the PPTs for the revision.
Who wants to need?
Current.
Karan. Hold on, Karan. Hold on. Karan Keralia, right?
Yes, sir. I written the mail in the chat box.
Yeah, I got it. Harsh,
Sir, I also need the PPTs.
જે સેમેસ્ટર પૂરું થયું ને બહુ જાજો ટાઈમ થયો નથી, અને તમે બધા એમ કહો છો કે મારે પીપીટી જોઈ છે.
સર
યસ.
સર આજે હું સર મારી સ્ક્રીન શેર નહીં કરી શકું સર, રિમોટ લોકેશન ઉપર છું ને એટલે પીસી અહીંયા નથી.
તે મોબાઈલથી જોઈન કર્યું છે?
યસ સર.
યાર હવે આવું ન કરતા આવો કોઈ બીજી વાર
હા
પ્લીઝ.
હા.
ઓકે, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. Now there is one strict instruction. Apart from IEP students, all you need to develop. ઓકે, આપણે એવું નથી કરવાનું કે આખી લેબ છે ને એ ખાલી રીડિંગમાં જ કાઢવાની છે, બરોબર? ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન આપી દો બધાને એકવાર. હોલ્ડ ઓન યુગ, આઈ એમ ગોના સેન્ડ યુ ધેટ ફોરવર્ડેડ મેલ. I sent the mail to all of you. Kindly check your mail once. Okay. In that part, before the file upload, there is a database connectivity of the insertion of data and retrieval of the data. But I want you to edit little bit, and as per the instructions which I was given to you, and which was shown in the Word file. Is this okay to all? Fine. And those who want to install the PHP and XAMPP server, definitely you can do this. It takes only 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that. Okay. So after that, those who want to install the WAMP and XAMPP server, and those who install the anything else, they can go ahead. Okay. So Pratik and Mayank, the PHP setup, it takes only a 5 minute, because you need to install the server only, WAMP, XAMPP or MAMP. Okay. And you can use any of the tool for the editor. Thank you. I'm sending PPT to whole batch. Okay. So once again, there will be a forwarded mail. Those who already got, kindly ignore for the second time. Okay. So all are requested to please go through the internet database connectivity. Archan, can you please share your screen with me, Archan? Archan, are you there? Archan? Yes, share your screen with me. Okay, Archan, thank you. You can stop sharing your screen. Thank you. Okay, Harsh, can you share your screen with me, Harsh? Harsh Marthak. He left the meeting. Harsh Mashru, can you share your screen with me? Okay. Harsh Mashru, share your screen with me. Harsh. I'm not asking you to complete first application and then share your screen with me. I just want to know that what are you doing. So I'm asking each and every one to share your screen with me. So share your screen. Show me your code. What are you doing? Okay, show me the form. What exactly the form you have designed form? At least run that file so I can see this. Run that file. How many fields you have chosen? Show me that error. But this is an insert query. I'm asking only form. What exactly the form is? I'm not asking you to show your code, PHP code. You can unmute yourself and talk to me, no problem. No need to write every time in chat box.
So actually making the form right now.
What you are saying?
This is what I have done.
Okay.
So this is what I have done till
Okay,
now.
okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Harsh Marthak, can you share your screen with me? Harsh Marthak. Okay. Heli, can you please share your screen with me? Heli. Okay, can you show the form? Heli, can you show the form?
Hello,
Yes.
sir. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible. I think, hold on. I think Heli is presenting first. Heli, is this your screen that create record first name, last name, address, and email? Heli, you can please unmute yourself and talk
Yes,
to.
sir.
Fine. So this is your form, right?
Yes.
Make sure that when you are going to display the grid layout, at that time it shows the edit and delete icon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, Harsha, go on, and you can share now. You can stop sharing screen, Heli. Thank you. Harsh, go on now. So have you designed any form or not?
Yes, sir. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it is visible, but I can see only the Firefox icon.
Just a minute, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I am making this form,
Okay. Fine, no problem. Go on. Thank
and
you. Go on.
okay, sir.
Hetvi, share your screen with me, Hetvi. Hetvi, share your screen with me, Hetvi. Okay, Lokesh, can you share your screen with me, Lokesh?
Sir, I have downloaded SAM.
Yes, Hetvi, I was disconnected. Can you please share your screen one more time, Hetvi? Okay. Lokesh, can you share your screen with me, Lokesh? Okay, Lokesh, please show me the first form. So I think SQL row. Okay. Show me the form first. Am I audible, Lokesh? Am I audible? Lokesh? Okay. So I think you have done with the insertion part, right, Lokesh? I think insertion is done from your side, if I'm not wrong. Insertion and retrieval both are done. So updating and deleting is only left. Lokesh, you can unmute yourself and talk. Okay, okay, go on, go on. Thank you. You can stop sharing your screen. Thank you. Maulik, share your screen with me.
સર અત્યારે મોબાઈલમાંથી ઓલું કર્યું હમણાં 2 મિનિટમાં કરું.
Okay, okay. Okay, meanwhile, Nash, can you please share your screen with me? Nash? Okay. Okay, can you please show me the form? Okay, Ali, go on. Okay, fine, no problem. Fine, fine. Ellie, you can ask. Please go on. Fine, no problem, Nash. You can stop sharing your screen. Ellie, you need to solve by your own. Because definitely if you find some error, you need to solve. Go on the references which you have referred. Go on. Or at least you can refer my PPT I have sent you. Fine, no problem. How many of you have placement at 2 o'clock? How many of you have placement? 2 p.m. Okay, 2 students. 3. Only 3. Nash, Riddhi, and Archan, right? Okay, fine. You can go at 1:50. Riddhi, can you please share your screen? Errol is not in this batch, I guess. Harsh, I'm asking for this lab only. But she haven't joined. through the email ID. No, both of you need to join separately. How do I know whether C is available or not? How would I know whether you are working or C is working? I find net issues with me also, but I can rejoin if I do have. It is not like that every time I do have net issue and I'm not able to join for 2 hours. Okay, Riddhi, show me your code and your form also. Let me ask your question to HOD, Hers. I'll ask HOD because HOD instructed us to those who will join from their ID, we need to mark present for them only. So let me ask HOD today and I'll back to you on this. Okay. Is this fine to you? Yeah. Yes, Riddhi, please share your screen. Okay, fine. Just show me the code apart from that, what you have did. Okay, Mayank, can you share your screen with me, Mayank? Mayank Singh, are you there? Mayank, share your screen with me. Milan, how much time will it take to share your screen now? Milan? Don't you have laptop? Milan, don't you have laptop? Then how will you work on? Okay, you can share your camera, no problem, and just share. Try to show your screen. Okay, can you show me the form? It is not visible to me properly actually. Okay, fine, no problem. You can stop sharing your screen. Okay, I can see now. I can see now. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Rutvik, can you share your screen with me? Okay.
સર મારામાં સ્ક્રીન શેર નથી થતી, ના પાડે કે પરમિશન નથી એમ.
Present. You can click on present now. Rutvik, is it possible now? You can rejoin if possible, then share your screen. Where exactly this is what the output, Rutvik?
Yes, sir.
So you need to,
Submit and output.
yeah, fine, but you need to put two icons at the each of the record, end of the record, which you can edit and delete.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Yeah. Yes, please, Heli, can you share your screen and run that program? Okay, kindly add new record. Click on that. Okay, go on. Okay, edit any of the record. Okay, fine. View record, no problem. Okay, okay, fine. Can you now show the database so we can see that these are the two only values which are available in database. Can you show the database, Eli? This type of the applications all need to develop that kind of. Yes, please refresh the table. Yes, okay. Thank you, Eli. Thank you. Good. Very good. Thank you. So that type of the applications everyone need to implement. Okay, yes, Jivani. Yes, Nash, you can ask. Yes, Nash. Go on.
સર હજી ખાલી ફોર્મ કર્યું છે અને આ કોડમાં થોડીક એરર આવે છે ઇન્સર્ટમાં ઈ કરું છું.
Okay, just show me the form that.
એક મિનિટ. સર હજી ખાલી સિમ્પલ કર્યું છે પછી તો
Fine,
એડિટ
fine.
કરી નાખી દઈશ
Okay,
વધારાની.
okay, 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 okay.
સર ફોર્મ કર્યું છે મોબાઈલમાંથી એટલે એવી રીતે સ્ક્રીન કરીને બતાવ્યું કે આમાં પ્રેઝન્ટ નથી થતું મારાથી, આમાં ના પાડે.
It's okay. I have seen. Fine, no problem. Next time laptop થી join કરજે. It's okay.
સર લેપટોપ થી જ જોઈન કરેલું છે પણ આ ઓલો પ્રેઝન્ટ નથી થતું એટલે મેં કીધું તો મોબાઈલમાંથી તમને બતાવી દઉં એમ.
It's okay, no problem.
ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ સર.
Yeah. Actually, Nash and Ronak, let me tell you one thing. In a basically a local market, the PHP is outstanding. Okay, and in the even you can talk about the Rajkot. Uh, very few, not few, but you can say that only 20 to 30 or 40 percentage companies are working on the Laravel. But in the Ahmedabad and all over the Gujarat, the PHP Laravel is outstanding. It is not like that there are many of the technologies are available. Okay, but usually while you are developing any a mobile app like a Flutter or any Android app, right? At that time, in a backend service, they are using the PHP Laravel only. Most of the even in most of the you can say 80 to 90 percentage Ahmedabad company. Okay, while they're developing any of the mobile applications with the Swift, Firebase, I mean a Flutter or the Android Studio for the web services, they are using the PHP Laravel only. So it is not like that this is the only we are studying, but there is a reason to learn. That's why. But you can do one thing. Which kind of example?
સર બેકએન્ડમાં તમે કીધું કે સર લારાવેલ PHP યુઝ કરે છે સર.
Web
હેલો.
services. For the web
હા યસ
services,
સર.
they are using
હા સર.
Laravel.
એટલે સર એ
Yes.
કેવી રીતના સર તો એને એક્ઝામ્પલ સર જોતા છે તો.
Say for example, if you are developing any web application in, say for example, if you are developing a Android app, okay. Say for example, sales Android app. So whatever the design point of view and the coding point of view, it should be from the Android only. But whatever the API and whatever the web services are based on the Laravel only. You can develop in core also, but most of the companies are developing in Laravel nowadays. This is what I have seen since last 1 or 2 months, because I took one survey in a few companies of the Laravel.
એટલે સર એમ પૂછું છું સર કે સર કેમ ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ આખું રિએક્ટ નેટિવમાં બનેલું છે
Okay,
એટલે એ રીતનું એમ એમ પૂછું સર.
fine. Definitely, I don't know that about the company that whoever the companies, I mean, whatever the companies are developing which applications, usually they don't share in detail with us, but they are generally telling that most of the companies, those who are using the Flutter, Android Studio, or Swift, usually most of the companies are working on PHP Laravel for the PHP web services for the admin panel.
ઓકે સર ઓકે.
Uh, Look, whatever the syllabus point of view uh, and the syllabus design, which is comes under the board of study only. Okay, so head of the department, principal, dean, and from the company representative, as well as the other reputed institutions, dean and director. All right, these are the persons involvement in the syllabus of the design. Okay, and this was the syllabus designed I think before 1 or 2 year, and at that time the Laravel was on top. Inclusion. Yes, you can leave, Nash. Ask someone to mark your present. Okay. Is this okay to you? Okay, hold on. Just let me take your attendance. Let me take your attendance. Just hold on. Uh, when I asked person to his or her name, they need to respond in chat box. Yes. Mayank Singh, Pratik Swami, Nash, Riddhi, Ayuj. Ayuj is there? Ayuj? I think he's absent. Ayuj is absent. Hetvi is present. Maulik is present. Rutvik is present. Ronak is present. Tumin, Yash, Archan, you, Karan, Milan, Hiral. Hiral, are you present or not?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay. Lokesh is present. Harsh is present. Marthak is present and Hel is also present. Let me tell you the name of the absent student. Just hold on. Ayuj only the absent one. Fine.